Yep, right there.
All right, right there.
Right.
Right.
Correct.
Left, right.
Okay.
Wrong
Okay. Who left?
You did. Yeah.
I'm right here.
You left.
But I'm here.
And came back. You left and came back.
Why are we having this discussion?
Start the video.
We already did.
Oh.
Oh.
Welcome to day 22.
Welcome back to DIY Dave.
In company. Nick.
Dave.
Ren.
Dave.
Ren. Dave.
Dave.
Ren. Ren. Nick.
Dave.
Ren.
Okay, can we stop?
Dave. Ren.
Today
Dave.
is day 22.
Ren.
And
Nick.
I hope these guys are enjoying opening this package and getting all these neat little gifts as we go along. They ain't getting anything under the tree from Santa. I am certain of that. So, if you haven't been keeping up, be sure to go back and check out that video right over there. Be sure to check out that playlist right over there.
Be sure to check out our stuff. Right on David's face. Wait, Ren's face. Ren. What is your name? Nick. Ren.
We're working on day 22 of our 24 Days of Christmas Lego City Advent Calendar. Today is Dave's turn. So, we'll be right back.
What?
We're back.
Oh.
What are you doing? What are you guys doing?
The intro.
No, I do the intro and the editing. You don't...
I make...
Oh, I think Dave's...
No, wait. That's a train.
I think Dave is moving forward. Dave is making Santa's train.
His name is Ren.
His birth record says Dave. I'm sticking with it.
Well, actually it says David, but I prefer to be called Ren.
Ren is a friend that to...
Hey, I need
wish wasn't your kin. So we're building a train. I don't know how well that train's going to work on these tracks.
That's what imagination's for.
Imagination. That's something that people don't have much of anymore. So like I said, it's not going to work on these tracks. But that's okay.
Ren.
Why do you keep saying Ren?
Run.
Run?
Keep running. Do not look back.
When this Christmas is over with, I may just run kind of like Forrest, you know? Just start running and not stop.
Hey, did you know that there's apparently a Lego set that certain parts cannot be taken apart safely once put together? I don't know why this is the case, it just happens.
I was not aware of that. This is the first time anybody's ever let me play with Legos. Well, that's not really true. I have played with some other people's Legos, but not many. But yeah, I bet when you snap those wheels on backwards like that, then you're going to have a hard time getting them off and correcting it.
Is that not how it's shown?
Yes, it is. I was just messing with you, man. I see the smokestack and the light. Bring it all together for us. Come on.
Ren.
Not again.
Ren. Yes, again. Ren.
No, I thought you said Ren.
Ren. Your rent is due.
I don't pay rent.
I don't pay rent. What?
I did not say rent.
Well,
I said rent.
I have been meaning to talk to you about that, guys.
Hey, guess what? Oh, never mind.
Looks like you're done.
So what do we got? Let's see it.
Ren.
No, we have a train.
Ren.
Train.
We have an amalgamation.
Ren.
It's a train. I'm excited. Yep. So, day 22, we built the train that Santa is riding on the package. Oh, we crashed the train. But he's riding on that train on the package.
Well, I bet that the second part of the train is in day 23. Or what was it? Yeah, day 23.
I don't know. Yeah, because it appears there's supposed to be 2 pieces of the train. So, I guess we'll have to find out tomorrow. What do y'all think? Is it going to be another piece of the train, like the train car for Santa to ride on? Or is it going to be something different?
Drifting.
What do you think? Train car or something else?
Train car.
Dave?
Train.
Train car?
Right.
We all think it's going to be a train car tomorrow.
Okay,
So,
have a good day.
We'll see you tomorrow.
It's not me.
We'll find out. Have a great day.